Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. So I will be making 3 sisters today. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. We have beans, coriander, salt, margarine, sliced onion, pepper, garlic, and hominy. We have the corn and vegetable broth and the squash. So we're making it with squash. Please stay with us and see how we prepare the soup. I will be using half of the squash. I wish I can buy half. I could prefer to just buy the half, but yeah, we just peel it. You take these ones off. So we have cleaned the squash. We just cut.
We dey cook, we not take classes. Full white rice in the party. My samosa tight, no elastic. I want champion and beef. I want a 4 euro and wheat. I want like 1 kilo of beef.
Just crush the garlic.
You go confirm and say you don't belly food.
So I'm putting the margarine. I'll add onions. I use a whole medium-sized onions. I will leave it for like 2 minutes at least. We'll add garlic now. Remember we use 2 cloves of garlic, 1 mid-side of onions. We just give a little bit minute again for the garlic and the onions to cook together. I will be adding coriander now, and then followed by curry powder. Mix. At this point, then I will be adding the vegetable broth. Then I will add corn, followed by hominy. I will add the pepper. I just add a lot of water to grind the pepper. That's why they look like that. Just that one I showed you before. We'll be adding the beans. Remember, this beans is already cooked. You have to wash it and then wash it at least 3 to 4 times before using it. I will just add, this is not among the recipe. You can use it if you want. Just liquid maggi for taste. It's optional. You don't really have to use it. Depends on how you want yours to taste. So yeah, we're giving it 2 minutes before we add more stuff. So after 10 to 15 minutes, you can add your squash to your soup. Some people do blend their squash, but in this particular recipe, I will not be blending mine. So I will leave it again to cook for like 10 minutes, then I will come back. That time, if we still need vegetable broth, you can just add a little bit. But for now, we are good to go. Because we need the vegetable broth for it to be soup are supposed to be light, not thick. So we add extra 1.5 cups of vegetable broth for it, and I'll just leave it to cook a little bit for the squash to be a little bit softer. Then we are ready to go. Our soup is ready. Okay. I have a lot to taste today, so that's why I'm taking this small one.